This is where the story began. Over 100 years ago, a community came together. Our ancestors were hardworking, with a pioneering spirit and a need to better the lives of those who came after. They turned the care and concern for each other into something exceptional.
My mom worked here for about 25 years, and as luck would have it, she had the same job that I have now. Where the employee parking lot is, that used to be her office. She was in a little tiny old house, and she worked for the volunteer department. That's where all the volunteers worked out of.
Both my kids were born here. I was born here, and I believe my mother was born here as well. Both of my parents are employed by SAC. They work in the laboratory and in the radiology department, so this is truly a place where I kind of grew up.
Working together, they built a legacy that would become so much more. A foundation dedicated to the health and wellness of the people it serves. More than mere buildings, this is where modern medicine and compassion become stronger together.
I really appreciate and love working with the new parent because they come and they're so wide-eyed and a little fearful. And not only are they dealing with being a new parent, they're also dealing with, now I have a sick child and I'm a new parent. So sometimes there's that sense of, what did I do or what didn't I do? So as well as taking care of the patient, you realize you're also taking care of the parent as well. So I appreciate that because you're extending that love to them, to let them know that no, you didn't do the wrong thing, and yes, we're gonna get through it and you're gonna be fine.
I had a patient come in through the emergency room, and we were called in and we came in, and he looked, he wasn't, but he looked just like my uncle. We didn't really know what his chances were. We had to work really hard to make sure that he survived the process. I found out later that he did just fine and went home safely with his family. It reminds me that every patient is like a family member. You treat them as if they were your family member, so you want the best for them. You're gonna do everything you can for them to make sure that they do well in their recovery and that they can achieve, they can live a longer life.
You get people that come in here and from all spectrums of whatever your injury might be, they're gonna see you through it to the end. So I would kind of look at it like it's the mother of the community. It's actually growing bigger than the community. I mean, the hospital is expanding. People come from all over to come here.
Today, the dream that began long ago comes full circle, thanks to the vibrant growth and strength of our region, and because of you. San Antonio Hospital has become a regional foundation, a testament to generations caring together. We grow to meet the needs of a prospering region. Our promise remains the same, to carry on the proud tradition that began here so long ago.
It's more improvements. We got the wireless technology going in place. Of course, new computers, smaller units, bigger monitors for people. Ultimately is for somebody that is in need, somebody that is having problems. And that, I believe, is one of my major motivations, because I know that I'm helping a certain person, but that person is helping somebody else. So it's like a little chain. What I do for them, they will do for somebody else, and it goes ultimately to the person that is here at the hospital.
We'll keep growing together to continue our life's legacy of expert medical care.
The ER is a family. I feel that I am never alone. I always have another nurse there behind me, watching me, giving me a helping hand.
The leadership, even the co-workers, have become very much like family and a huge part of my life.
The people that I work with are my second family, and we've worked together for so long. We know our relationships, our home lives, our children. I mean, I spend a lot of my days here, so I make the best of it, and it's easy. It's easy to be here with the ladies I work with.
The family spirit and commitment to service that you live out each and every day is our lasting legacy, and we will continue to meet the needs of the greater Inland Empire for another 100 years and beyond. Today, we reveal a step we'll take together as the San Antonio family, a subtle but important change, our name. And though our name may be changing, our mission remains the same, to work together toward a healthier, happier tomorrow, together.
I am Kim Vollers.
Sherry Elmore.
I am Sydney Hendricks.
Jeanette Fierro.
Victor Ramirez.
I am Michelle Killian.
Christopher Porch.
I am Rihanna Hackasey.
I am Jennifer Hibma, and we are San Antonio Regional Hospital.
San Antonio Regional Hospital. Our life's legacy. Your healthy future.